Are you looking for quick and healthy meals that you can make in 5 minutes or less? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious Whole30 meals in just 5 minutes. Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to make quick and healthy Whole30 meals in just 5 minutes. Whole30 is a popular diet that focuses on eating whole, unprocessed foods and eliminating sugar, grains, dairy, and legumes. It's a great way to reset your body and jumpstart a healthier lifestyle. Main content, let's get started. The first meal I'm going to show you is a simple egg scramble. All you need is a few eggs, some vegetables, and a little olive oil. Start by heating the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Then, add your vegetables and cook until they are tender. Crack the eggs into the pan and scramble until they are cooked through. Serve with a side of fresh fruit and you have a delicious and nutritious meal in just 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy salad. Start by chopping up your favorite vegetables and adding them to a bowl. Then, top with a protein of your choice, such as grilled chicken or salmon. Drizzle with a simple vinaigrette, and you have a delicious and healthy salad in just 5 minutes. Finally, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious smoothie. Start by adding your favorite fruits and vegetables to a blender. Then, add a scoop of protein powder and a few tablespoons of almond butter. Blend until smooth and enjoy. There you have it. 3 delicious and healthy Whole30 meals that you can make in just 5 minutes. Eating healthy doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. With a little planning and preparation, you can make delicious and nutritious meals in no time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You'll get 2 videos every day for free. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.